How to mark any game as favorite in Roblox. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can mark any particular game as your favorite in your Roblox account. So the first step of course involves opening or launching up the Roblox application, which you can do by tapping onto the app icon, and once you have done that you will be landed onto this home screen. Now from here you can either search for your game or you can find it here and then simply tap onto that particular game which you want to mark as favorite. So once you will tap onto this you will see an interface like this, and then from here you will need to click onto these three dots present at the bottom left, and once you will do this you can see this option that says favorite. So I have already marked it as favorite, but in your case it will look something like this. So you can simply mark it favorite by clicking onto this star button, and once the star changes its color to white it will be successfully marked as favorite. So that's how easily you can mark any particular game as favorite. That was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.